In front of me is TCL 501 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher next to Clipboard at the top right corner to activate it, and to go back to your standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or by tapping on Clipboard and clicking on it here. To pin one of those sentences, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the chosen one, and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, click on the pen again, and this time after selecting your sentence, use pin icon next to the pin one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!